Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be making chocolate cake. Yes, all in one bowl. So let's dive into the main thing. First thing I'll be doing is to grease my pan with vegetable oil and dust with cocoa powder, and I will shake around it to make sure it's well coated, just like not allowing the pan. This is non-stick, but I am not ready to accept and take any chances though. So I just want to like be at a safer side by doing this. Yes, right now I'll just go round and remove all the excess. This is the best chocolate cake. You need to make this Xmas for your family, for party, for birthday party. This is the best ever because it's just all in one bowl, all in one bowl. So right now I'll be displaying all the recipes on the screen, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss out. First, this is my vegetable oil. I have baking powder, I have baking soda, yes, I have salt, yes, and I have my sugar. This is vanilla, Madagascar vanilla flavor, and that's my flour. This vinegar, water, cocoa powder, milk, eggs, and you can see now the first thing I'll be doing is to measure 1 tablespoon of this. Is half tablespoon, that's why I can't find my 1 tablespoon, so I'm measuring 2 half tablespoon. That's 1 tablespoon of vinegar water to my milk to get my buttermilk, and I will set it aside immediately and I'll continue. Have you subscribed to this channel? If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. So this is well boiled hot water. Just make sure it's boiling before you take it out. So I measured 1 cup of boiled hot water in a bowl, and I'll add 1 cup of cocoa powder. Yes, please go for the best. It helps the taste of your cake to come out pretty well. Stir very well, take your time. Like I said, you don't need mixer, you don't need no stress. Cake without stress. This chocolate cake is cake without stress. So mix and make sure there is no lump at all, no lumps at all. So pour in the vegetable oil. Make sure you measure correctly, please. Very important. Make sure your measurement is top notch. It helps a lot when the outcome of when the cake is ready, so that the outcome will be pretty nice like mine. So right now, well mixed, I will pour in my sugar, and you stir and stir. Yeah, what is chocolate cake without sugar? That's it, because cocoa powder itself sometimes tastes a bit bitter, so you need sugar for it to come out pretty well. So make sure you measure very right. So I will just crack out the 4 eggs, reason of doing it separately to be sure all are fresh, but indeed I've not seen a bad egg in this UK for the first time. So that's it. I will pour in and I will start mixing. Keep mixing and mixing. This is not the time you say don't over mix your batter. Please over mix this batter. Make sure everything is thoroughly mixed well. So mix and mix. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed? Please don't watch this video and go away, because I have more than 500 videos I know that will make you happy. There are a lot of pastries, cake decoration, and so many more. So make sure you check out my recipes. So this, I'll be adding my vanilla flavor. I'm using half tablespoon, so I'll be measuring double for it because I can't find my 1 tablespoon today. So I added the first half tablespoon and I'll add again later. So right away I will start adding in, this is flour only. I will just pour in all the dry ingredients, my baking powder, baking soda, salt, and I will stir just any way you can, just like incorporate everything to be pretty okay, no problem. Just stir it very well and you set aside. Yes, it's important. Please, if you're in Nigeria, please, I'm begging you, sieve the flour for me, please. If you are in abroad, it's not a must, but if you still want to sieve, you sieve. But if you are in Nigeria, sieve that flour for me, because a lot of time people buy flour, get flour in Nigeria, and when they sieve, they will see garri, they will see beans, so many things. Things I don't even know whether people selling flour are selling beans at once and all that. So please, if you're in Nigeria, Africa, please sieve that flour for me, so to get rid of any dirt. But here, so many times I have not seen anything in my sieve when sieving flour here. So just start adding little at a time, a little of the flour, a little of the milk, a little of the flour, a little of the milk, a little of the flour, a little of the milk. Please just take your time to do this beautifully well, because you don't need any lump in your cake. Just make sure it comes out pretty well. Add little milk, add little flour, add little milk, add little flour. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed? Have you shared? Please, this is festive season. This is the best cake. If you are a mother, you don't know how to bake, this is the easiest you can do for your children. Just when I mean all in one method, you don't know process. All you need is make sure you have your scale, measuring cups, measuring spoon in the house. You're good to go. I've poured all right now, and I will take my time to mix and mix and mix and mix. And one thing again you need to know at this time, before you start mixing your cake, make sure you have started preheating your oven. Yeah, to 180 degrees is very cool. If you can do 175, 170, but 180 is perfect. Please don't exceed that. You can also go ahead and do oven. Make sure that your oven is pretty neat, because it helps the cake to come out well. Because when your oven is dirty, a lot happened there. I promise you the cake will taste something else. So please make sure the oven is pretty neat. So take your time, mix this very well. Just look at that butter, as if it's normal chocolate that you want to lick. It's looking so pretty good. You can see the pan I dusted earlier. So I will just pour. The butter is really giving, just like as if you're making chocolate ganache. So that's it now. So I'll be baking, like I've been preheating my oven for over 15 minutes now. So I'll send it to the oven. It stayed not up to 40 minutes, and these cakes were beautifully ready. Just tap on the table, tap tap tap, tap 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 and tap and tap. Reason to close up air bubbles, so that when your cake come out, you'll not be seeing all those bubbles there. Yeah, and I will distribute these beautiful chocolate chips to just like make the chocolate cake chocolate. Not just making it chocolate, just to make it give that best chocolate cake ever, because the cake is already tasty. Just I want you to be just like biting this chunk of chocolate chips as you're eating the cake. It's making sense. So straight to the oven, and look at that beauty. Isn't this beautiful? Please tell me you're gonna try this. Tell me you're gonna try this. Please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.